Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get the Dragon City mod for 2025, unlimited resources guys. It's very simple and this works on iOS and Android. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's get straight into the download. So in order to get the Dragon City mod, what we need to do is go ahead and go over to this website. It's called zoomods.com. So once you're on the site guys, you just want to go to the search bar and type in Dragon City. And as you can see, it says Dragon City Mod. So now we're going to wait for it to download here. It's only 30 MB or 36 MB, so you shouldn't be waiting that long. I'm a big Dragon City player. I'm a big fan, but I always got kind of mad when I had no money. So keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to download the Dragon City mod. So there's one more step guys before we get the Dragon City mod. We do have to do a verification. This is where you download 2 apps. It just verifies your device. So as you can see, it says please install 3 apps, or it's 2, I don't know why it says 3, to automatically install the Dragon City mod. Please complete additional files. If some don't work, try others. So personally, I did Dice Dreams and Family Island. You just press tap to install. It takes you to the App Store. You download the app and you're done. So for Dice Dreams, you like open it up and run it, very simple to do. And I don't know if like you're in another country, if you're going to see different apps, that's totally fine if you do. But for me, these are the ones that showed up. So anyway, guys, let's just let this load. All right, we'll play as guest, whatever. So anyway, guys, I'll see you later, but I do want to show you first. The other app I did was the Family Island, and this site's kind of boo-boo. I don't know what's going on, bro. Okay, there we go. So yeah, the other one I did was Family Island. So once again, guys, it brought me to the App Store. I download the app. I open it up. It's so simple, guys. So yeah, be sure to try this out. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get more tutorials like this. And peace out, guys.